Social Security checks May 2026 payment schedule dates 2026 DTB Fab. Your May 2026 Social Security check is coming, but if you don't know your expect date, May 2026 payment dates. Here the confirmed May 2026 Social Security payments schedule so you know exactly when your money arrive. First, SSI receipts get paid on May 1st, 2026, right on time since it's a Friday. Now for Social Security retirement, SSDI and survivor benefits, payments follow a staggered Wednesday system based on your birth date. If your birth date falls between the 1st and 10th, your payment arrive on May 13th. If your birthday is between the 11th and 20th, you will be paid on May 20th. And if your birthday falls between the 20th and 31st, your payment comes on May 27th. This system ensures millions of payments are delivered smoothly without delays. Once you know your birth range, you will always know your payment date. Who gets paid early? Now, here's something many people don't realize. Some beneficiaries receive their payments earlier than others. If you started receiving Social Security before 1997, your payment typically arrive near the beginning of the month regardless of your birth date. Also, if you receive both SSI and Social Security, you are usually paid earlier to ensure quicker across to funds. That's why some people may see their money arrive around May 3rd. This often creates confusion when people compare dates with friends or family. But the truth is, not everyone follow the same schedule. Once you understand which category you fall into, you won't have to worry about delays or missing payments. How much money can you get? Let's talk about how much you could receive in May 2026. The average Social Security benefit is around $2,021 per month, but your actual amount depends on your lifetime earning and when you start claiming. If you claimed early at age 62, your payment could be significantly lower. But if you waited until full retirement age, your benefit increase, and if you delay all the way until age 70, your monthly payment could reach up to $5,181, the maximum benefit for higher earners. That's a huge difference. This shows how important your claiming decision is. It does not just affect one payment, it impacts your income for the rest of your life. Why this schedule matters? These payments are more than just dates. They were a financial lifeline for millions of people. Social Security includes a retirement benefit, disability payments, survivor benefits, and SSI for those with limited income. For many households, this money covers essential expenses like rent, food, and healthcare. With rising cost and inflation, knowing exactly when your payment arrive help you plan better and avoid financial stress. The structured schedule also ensures smooth distribution across millions of beneficiaries. By understanding your payment date and benefit amount, you can take control of your monthly budget and make smarter financial decisions. Check your birth date, mark your calendar, and stay ahead. Follow for more real money updates.